Hi there, it's Matt here from MG Timber Products. I'm just going to talk you through this video demonstration of our A-frame picnic table. So starting with your A-frame legs, you want to take 4 80mm structural screws, 2 per leg, and insert them through the pre-drilled pilot holes straight into the cleat on the tabletop. Just ensure they're flush on both sides and fire them in. Okay, then we're going to take the seats and pop them on while the table's upside down. The reason we do this, it spreads the legs and makes sure that everything sits squarely when you put your diagonal braces on. Okay, for your diagonal braces, you're going to use 8 of the 65mm decking screws and the TX20 bit. 4 screws per diagonal brace. Just a little bit about the timber. So we use 94mm by 44mm Swedish redwood. As you can see, it planes to a really smooth finish and it takes the pressure treatment really well. It's going to give you a better finish than your CLSs and your whitewoods that you can get out there. Okay, finish that one off, and then we're going to remove the seats, pop them to the side, and the table's ready to flip over. We recommend 2 people when you're assembling these tables. This is the 5-foot version, and this comes in at about 70 kilograms. So once it's built, it's really heavy to manoeuvre. So we recommend you build it close to where you're going to situate it. And you're just going to pop your seats back on there and use the remaining of the 80mm structural screws, fire them in straight through the pre-drilled holes. If you get stuck at all during this process, just pop us an email or get us on WhatsApp or the live chat. And in terms of more treatment for the table, we do recommend you add additional treatment in the form of a water repellent. So the pressure treatment's going to prevent the table from rotting, but it's not going to help with swelling and shrinking, which is what leads to your splits in the summer. If you add a water repellent to the timber, it's going to go a long way to reduce the effects, help the timber regulate. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Thank you.